Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be resetting the maintenance due light on a Toyota Camry. Thanks for joining me. So this is my stepson's car. The maintenance due light came on, so I'm just going to check a few things and just kind of do some routine maintenance and inspection on the vehicle. So let's go ahead and get started. Now obviously you just don't want to reset that maintenance light, so I'm just going to check a few things. The oil, I'm going to check the air filter, cabin air filter, inspect the tires, and check out the brakes. So let's go ahead, get the hood open, and check that oil. Come on now. Now he did just get this car a little bit ago, so haven't really looked at it until now. So we'll take a look here at the oil. And the oil does look good, and it is full, so that's good. You do want to check that oil every time you fill up. Check the air filter. So let's take a look here. The air filter looks pretty good. Doesn't need to be replaced yet, so that's good. So the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. So to get to that, you drop that. There's a Phillips head screw right there. And so I need to remove the screw. And then once I get that screw removed, then I will be able to pull the glove box out and access that cabin air filter. Okay, so with the glove box out, the cabin air filter is located up here. So I'll slide this out just to take a look at it. And the frame of that filter just slides out. And we'll take a look at it. Again, it's not terrible. It could be replaced, but that will be up to my stepson if he wants to replace that or not. Just slide that back up in here and then put the glove box back in. So I'll go ahead and put this back in. Alright. So that's all back together. So now I will go on to take the tires off and check those brakes. That's up. So with the car up in the air, I'm going to take these lugs off, get the tire off. We'll take a look at the brakes. Now the previous owner said that they did have the brakes done. Tire actually looks really good. Take a look here at the brakes. The rotors look good. There's not any real wear or like ridge on it, so that actually looks really good. Let's take a look here at the pads. I would probably replace the pads. I'll take a look at the rear and see. So the rear brakes are drum brakes. I'll try and pull this drum off of here. See if we can take a look at it. And look at the pads or the shoes under it. Boy, this baby's rusty. And there's the inside of the drum. There's material left in there. Brake shoes are looking a little thin though, I think. And so the drum is probably good to leave on there. Again, this will be something I'll have to talk to my stepson about, but I wouldn't worry about the drum, but I would replace the brake shoes. Alright, so I'll put the tire back on, get this back down on the ground. And yes, I did check both sides, I just didn't film me checking both sides. So, now to actually reset the light, and you just hold it until it beeps and goes out. So, to reset the maintenance light, it needs to be on the odometer setting. Press and hold, turn the key forward, and hold it until the light goes out. And there you go, and that's how you reset the light. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.